Listen when I tell you, this is not your grandma's wig. What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in today. Big thank you to Outre for sponsoring today's video. Very excited because guess what, baby? I am trying a top knot with a synthetic wig for the first time. If you are interested in more videos, definitely sub, share, and slay accordingly, baby. Drop your girl a comment down below. Now, baby, let's go ahead and get into Miss Andreina. Yeah. Y'all will never guess what happened. So, unfortunately, the footage for the first impression of this unit is gone. Got erased and I can't get it back. So I'm gonna basically give you a third day impression. Your girl is making lemonade out of lemons, baby. So right now you just see me marking my forehead so I know exactly where to place my lace, because let's be clear, if you go too high, Klingon, baby, and if you go too low, Planet of the Apes. So hairline was a breeze. I did break up the shape of the hairline just to make it a little bit more natural. They did take the liberty to pre-pluck this unit, and the lace is very brown girl friendly, babe. Think of it as a lighter shade of brown straight out the box. Chapter selections will be down below if you are interested in seeing the other styles, especially that top knot, baby. When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby, take your time, let me know I want. Turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back, then rotation. Cigarettes and the season, shine bright as the season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you. After 3 days of on and off wear, the ends needed a little TLC, so I used some water and conditioner, and baby, these curls popped back to life. First and foremost, this unit is big head friendly-ish. It's in the ballpark. I was able to finesse the ear tab. However, it's not all the way plucked on the sides. I don't think that's going to be a problem. My lace is lifting just a little bit. It's hot, okay? It's like 100 degrees. So I'm actually going to put on this robe. Your girl has dark armpits, okay? And I'm very self-conscious of it, and I don't feel like having that show on video. So let me do that first. And I think first we're going to put all of this hair back. I am going to go in with the Super Hold Wig Grip Spray. And listen. I am so sold on this spray.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't when you're not here. I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own.
Not the freaking cutest. This girl. I ain't gotta worry about none of my shoulders, snippety snaps in the back. I don't have to worry about no tangling, nothing. Yeah, girl, I'm free. Listen, I am like so hyped right now. Whew, looking at this unit. Online, this unit is going for $84.99. Yeah. Woo. So just some specs on Miss Andreina. This is part of Outre's 360 frontal lace wig collection. It's a 13x6 hand-tied lace frontal, and it does have lace in the back. And the color is DRST Maple Brown. This is a 24-inch curly unit. Your tried and true melt band is going to save you in the long run, and you will need a very good strong glue. One thing I do wish this hairline had is the same ear tab technology that we have on the melted hairline collection. This one did fall short, so I did have to kind of finesse and finagle it, you know, and just pull some of the hairs out, or else it is going to lift and you are going to see the lace on the sides. But it came out pretty dang good, y'all. Listen, I used my tried and true Sharpie to cover up the hairs or the lace that was also showing on the sides, so you really wouldn't be able to see it. And I think the back came out bomb. Listen, they have baby hairs on the back of this unit, and that saved me because this is not all the way big head friendly. You can't see my kitchen, okay? You can see my buckshots in the back, okay? But I was able to finesse those baby hairs out and just kind of tease them out to cover up my hair, and I think it blends really good. And this is giving me summer vibe, girl. Look. Hi. Oh, please. If you are interested in checking out the information for this unit by Outre, I'll have a direct Google link in the description box down below. Definitely check it out. Shop accordingly. Swipe that card accordingly, girl. When she arrives, slay accordingly. Thank you so much to Outre for sending out the unit. Most importantly, thank you to all of you for tuning in. Don't forget to sub, share, and of course, slay accordingly, baby. Drop your girl a comment down below. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.